Isn't it frustrating when people don't pay attention to your name and how it's pronounced? On the flip side, isn't it amazing when they do? So my middle name is Shaveen, and most people can never pronounce it, let alone remember it. Now, let me show you his experience with a voice AI agent.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hey, yeah, could you just repeat my name? My name is Shaveen.
Of course, Kevin. Nice to meet you. What can I do for you today?
No, it's not Kevin, it's Shaveen. Shaveen.
Got it, Kevin Sr. Thanks for clearing that up.
Now let me show you a voice agent built on Speechmatics, leveraging its custom dictionary to pronounce my name properly. So in the Speechmatics config, you can add additional key terms like I've done with my middle name, and an optional is to add how it sounds like. So I've added here Shaveen. And now let's try run it.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hey there, yeah, I would like you to repeat and pronounce my name properly. My name is Shaveen.
Of course, Shaveen. Thanks for letting me know how to say your name. It's lovely. If I mispronounce it or spell it weird in the future, just give me a nudge.
Amazing, that's great. Agents are only as good as their ears. Code is in the links to get you started.